Yeah. Yeah.
Look at me ballin'. Look at me ballin'.
Today I am wearing a wig from LUVMEHAIR's All Day Comfort wig collection. Now I know you're probably like, what does All Day Comfort mean? Like, you know what I mean? Like, what is that? LUVMEHAIR's All Day Comfort wig is basically a wig for everyone, for every day, and it's comfortable. Basically, it's glueless. You don't have to put any glue. You don't have to use any spray. If you're one of them type of women that just can't do the glue or the spray, maybe allergic to it, it's too hot, it doesn't stay on, you sweat a lot, it's not for you, I feel like this is the wig for you, because you can just slide it right on and go about your business. I really don't use glues anymore, I'm gonna be honest, I really don't. You will rarely see me wear like lace glue, unless I'm going on a vacation for a week or something and I want my wig to stay on if I'm going in the water and stuff like that, but usually I don't wear any glue. So it comes with a bag. You know, after I'm finished wearing my wig and I take it off and I go to bed, I can put my wig right in my bag. It comes with a band, an extra band, like this, and this is to put in the wig to make sure it's nice and secure on your head. So I'm gonna see if there's a band inside. If not, maybe you can add an extra band, but it comes with a band, looks like this. So this is a band that you tie, you know, to keep your edges slayed nice and down. This is not the band that you wear around your head. So it comes with another elastic band. Oh, okay. This comes with I believe this is a lace cutter. It looks like this. Comes with some LUVME. I believe these are like glue tabs that you could put on, so you don't have to use glue or spray. You can use these little tabs and they're actually sticky, and then you could put the wig on like that. I don't know if I'm gonna use these, only because I do like the spray. It's just easier for me, and my nails are really long, so it's gonna be kind of hard for me to like peel this and everything. But this is how it looks. It comes with those if you would like to use those as well. 2 HD wig caps. If you're new to me, I don't really wear wig caps. I have one on my head now, clearly, but what I mean by that is like I wear a wig cap under just to keep my hair together. But as far as like, you know, doing the ball method, I don't really do that. Now, I don't do that because I don't really wear my wigs for a long time. I feel like with that method, that's more so if you're gonna wear your wigs for a long time, you know, you're gonna have it, and then you're also using glue, you have to protect your edges with the bald cap, that's the point of it. But me personally, because I don't really wear them a long time, I switch my wigs up daily, I don't really do the bald cap method. So this is how the lace is looking. Let me show you guys the lace. That's the lace. It doesn't have any clips in the front, but that's fine because it is a glueless wig. It's 3 hooks. It has 1, 2, 3 to make it tight. I put it on the first hook because I don't really want it to be too tight on my head. So I put mine on the first hook, but if you want it more snug, you could put it on the last hook or the middle hook. You have like a little flap right here inside of the wig. It looks like this. And that flap, you're going to take the band and you're going to just apply it on that flap, just like right inside of it. It's like an opening that you could apply it right in. So I'm gonna do that just to give myself some more of like a tight feel. Okay, so I just put the strap on, just like that. It has this right here to make it tighter. You can make it looser or you can make it tight. You wanna make sure that it's this way. So when you put the wig on, you wanna make sure that this side is the side that's gonna be on your head, not this side, because it has like this really like rubbery, really soft feel right here, and that's to keep it comfortable against your head. Okay guys, this is how it's looking now. Hold on, LUVMEHAIR. You know what, I had got my tint spray ready. I was like, I need to tint my lace. I had this ready to, honey, I ain't gotta tint nothing. I ain't gotta tint Nathan. Look at this hairline. You don't even see the lace. I'm going to just lay this down a little bit because it's a little bit sticking up. So I'm gonna use a little bit of my ESHA Melt Slay Lace Spray. I'm just gonna use a little bit just to kind of get around these areas right here so it's not lifting up. I really don't have to cut any lace off. You can if you want, but you really can't see the lace. So I just feel like it's no point of cutting it. is holding down. Let's style the hair. I mean, the hair it comes already styled, as you can see, but I like it like super styled. Like the messy look is kind of cute, you know, it's kind of beachy, like beachy waves, but I like my hair to be like styled. As a stylist, it has to be styled. So, and y'all know we have to style it. So let's do it. So I'm just gonna take my paddle brush. I'm just gonna brush through it just to see how the waves is looking, because it's looking a little tangled. Very minimal shedding. It's not a lot of shedding, as you can see.
That's my cue. You and me is like perfection. I've been loving up aggression, but I gotta make a confession. No, lately I've been having questions. Oh, I've been missing your affection, and this kinda reminds me of the last one. Maybe it's time to learn my lesson, no. Maybe step back from my protection, no. Tell me, am I still your baby? Or just holding on to memories and the way you used to make me crazy? Oh, did I do something wrong? Are we still going strong? Or you're stringing me along? Then it's like you. If I have to ask, then I probably already got my answer. But before I commit relationship suicide, tell me a little, reading in between the lines a little. Tell me if we lost the fight a little. Let's go. Boy, that's my cue. We left it up in the air. I need you to make it clear for me. I need you to keep it real with me. On your mind, I'm ready to pull up on you and show you I want you. Boy, you just do it for me. Even the homie said you suited for me, oh. But now the energy got hazy, oh. Tell me, am I still your baby? Or just holding on to memories and the way you used to make me crazy, oh. I can't seem to shake it. I need you here with me naked. Oh, but boy, don't have me waiting. God. If I have to ask, then I probably already got my answer. But before I commit relationship suicide, tell me a little, reading in between the lines a little. Tell me if we lost the fight a little. Let's go. Boy, that's right. Tell me I'm the one, I'm the only one. Something's gotta burst every time you want. Tell me I'm the one, I'm up and gone. Yeah, touching on my body like nobody does. Lock and key every time we link up. Put some pressure on so I know you're mine. If I have to ask you one more time, one more time. All these questions got me questioning us. Got you out here looking so suspicious. Boy, that's my cue. If I have to ask, then I probably already got my answer. But before I commit relationship suicide, tell me a little, reading in between the lines.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Yes, I had to change. It's a different day. Let's just say that. It's a different day. So yeah, I had to change it up, but this is how the hair came out. As you know, I am a stylist, so I had to curl and layer and do my 1 and 2. Let me know how you guys think it came out. It's so easy to put on. It's so comfortable. As you can see, you can't see any lace. Like, it looks so natural. Like, this is just like insane. I love this wig. So comfortable. It doesn't even feel like I have a wig on my head. I kid you not. It does not feel like I have a wig on my head. I think it's the lack of clips that usually is like pulling into my hair. The band feels super comfortable. The clips in the back don't even feel that. It's extra. It's not even like super tight. Go get this wig. I feel like this wig is everything. This is gonna be like my new summer wig. It's just so pretty. Go get this. Like, look at her. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.